Oh, I thought you weren't supposed to, get any liquids on the outside of the toilet, but
Don't cut your pooper!
No, why are
Why?
you cutting the pooper like that? Come on, your pooper.
So what? How are you gonna use pooper? Poop? Yeah.
we said it far too many times.
Yes.
All right, that's the last time we say
Okay.
poop. Okay.
Poop. Poop, poop, poop,
We're like actual children.
Oh yeah.
So
Sorry
they're putting
about
some
that.
glass, or not glass, but some plastic over the
plastic
toilet.
glass.
Plexiglass.
Plexiglass. We found it.
Oh, and they're cutting it on the toilet. That's so quirky and interesting.
Okay. So they want to make it transparent.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. So what are they gonna show us in there, huh? Mm-hmm.
I mean, there is only water in this place.
Yeah, but
so,
hopefully no one does a double decker. Have you heard of a double decker?
No.
That's where someone goes number 2 in the top bit of the toilet.
Wow.
Yeah.
At least you can see it.
Have you guys ever done a double decker, or just me?
What?
No, I'm just kidding. Maybe. Ooh. So now we're putting mesh.
Okay. Now I will follow my.
Yeah. Watch out for your toilet. Okay, we're
so
putting some black
there is
spray
some-
paint.
Yeah. There is
Ooh. Cool.
nice installation.
Very nice installation. So it
But-
it looks like a rock mountain inside your toilet.
How you gonna splash? I mean,
How are you gonna flush
use
it?
Yeah. How you gonna use it? Because now it doesn't look, let's say, practical.
Maybe you don't need to poop in it anymore. Maybe you can use it as a piece of art.
Piece of
Maybe you
art.
really like toilet art.
Okay.
It's a niche.
That's you do.
Let's see though. Maybe it still flushes.
Yeah, maybe. I still didn't get the technical part how to realize this, because
Looks nice. Or it could be a fish tank.
I think it's gonna be
Fish?
fish tank.
Okay.
And another nice thing you can. Okay, I will not gonna say.
Oh, it's a fountain. There's nothing I would rather do while I'm doing a number 2. This is such a weird conversation topic.
Okay, shall we
Moving
move it
on?
on?
No, wait, we got
But
more.
how can we?
We
If
can't.
It's all about.
It's all about toilets.
So-
It's all about toilets. That's a new TV show.
It's actually our life.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's a place where we visit more than anything else.
Yeah,
Right?
I use the toilet more than I sleep.
Wow.
Yep.
So
It looks cool.
that's who. Yeah, but how you wanna?
Maybe it just always flushes. That's what it looks like. It looks like it just always flushes.
Yeah. So it's not good.
Whoa, we're having like are they making a bed frame around it? Jeez.
It's a throne.
It's a throne.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a throne.
So usually some people call it a throne. It will be literally a throne.
They really like Game of
Yeah.
Thrones. Really like Game of Thrones.
So okay, that's.
So yeah, this is what I need because I
Weird.
spend so much time on it. I want to feel like a king.
Exactly.
I'm the king of the toilet. That's so.
It's weird.
It's really weird. Yeah. I mean, I'm not the one doing it.
So how they? Okay, I'm just wondering
How are they
they
gonna
want-
flush it?
Yeah. Yes. Of course.
Again,
the
that's
more
always the
important
question.
for me.
Yeah.
Yes.
You don't want to just like it's
Don't
sitting
leave
there.
anything there. Flash it.
Yeah.
So we'll see. I mean, I'm curious how it's gonna look like. I mean, what is the seat place will looks like?
I don't know. I want to see
I
some
know
like
that you don't. But
I want to see some nice what is it called? Velvet, like red velvet.
on it.
Yeah, like on the seat
Okay.
inside the toilet. What did I say? Red velvet.
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, it's some part of the thrones.
The royal
usually,
thrones, yeah. Okay, looking pretty.
Okay.
Looks like they took the ironing board to do that, which is better use of the ironing board.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Uh,
Imagine if you miss though. Imagine if someone misses. It would go on the red velvet.
yeah. So.
What if your aim's not that great? I guess everyone has to sit. Everyone just has to sit.
Yes.
No
yes.
stand rule.
No stand rule for this again.
Because sometimes it's the morning, you know what I mean? Like, some gold
okay.
little epoxy things or resin things.
Yeah, it's a glue gun, I guess.
Oh,
but-
glue. Okay.
Yeah, I mean glue gun sticks.
Nice.
Okay.
It looks cool now.
Yeah, so fancy.
Definitely still a little bit worried about the actual function, but it looks cool. I want to see someone sitting on it, not doing the business, but they skipped that part.
They
They're like,
skipped that.
No one can sit on it.
Just imagine the person who trying to reach it
Yeah.
and sit on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Do what you want, I guess. Like,
How to get rid of water? Yeah.
yeah.
Just to make a hole.
Okay, we got some glue along the edge. Boom.
Okay. Oh, LED
UV?
line.
Not UV, with
Not
LEDs.
UV.
It's so weird to me that you can just like cut
RGB.
LEDs like that and it still works, you know?
What?
They just cut the LED
Ah.
and it still works. Like, that's crazy to me.
But because they are made.
Yeah, they're made to do that, yeah.
Yeah, there is the special cut. If you do it in the wrong place, you will destroy the part of the
Ah, okay.
thing.
I made one of these in elementary school. Lava,
What?
you know, a volcano.
Yeah. Oh, and you made it work.
Mine was better.
So what did you use it to make it work?
I used baking soda and Coca-Cola and vinegar.
Oh, okay. This is the.
It worked.
It worked. Yeah.
Okay, we got some glue
So, wow. Okay.
to make the effect of lava coming down. It's pretty nice.
Mhm.
Everyone knows glue is made of lava, so.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Um,
It looks cool.
mm,
It doesn't look like lava yet or a volcano. Ah,
nah.
we're getting there.
Yeah, you know when I worked on there.
Yeah, yeah. Why
there
can't you say?
somewhere?
Why are you so afraid? When you worked somewhere.
Somewhere, yeah, of course. Sometimes we made a volcano.
Yeah.
With my teammate, and that was much better than this one. We just made it out of some epoxy
Okay.
and put the lights under, so it's lighted and it
Nice.
looks like the
Classic. Classic Archie. Okay, so now we have. This is pretty cool. It looks pretty cool so far. I like how they're doing the whole setup.
Okay, no, I mean.
You're judging it really hard. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Not as good as me though.
No, I don't want to say. They just doing the another style.
Yeah, it looks cool.
I'm not gonna say that we're better than they,
Yeah,
but
but we
it's
were
what. No, we're just kidding.
cool sealant. All right, nice.
Yes.
Is that supposed to be the poop?
Play. I guess not yet.
Yeah, not yet. We're not at
Yeah.
that point yet. What is this?
It's.
Oh, it's a tiki head. You know, like Hawaiian tiki.
Ah, yeah. Now
Yeah.
I see because it was.
Ah, it's pretty cool.
Hmm.
Very creative.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. Very nice.
Very good. Very nice.
And now it's.
Archie 5 approved.
Yeah, but wait a second.
What?
What? It doesn't work like so.
What?
Wait a minute. What?
that doesn't do that. No.
Yeah. Okay. I mean.
If it worked, it would be awesome.
But look how huge it is.
With fish.
With
With CGI fish.
Yeah. That's what we like. Yeah.
We
in
like it,
our
we like it.
toilet. But how huge it is.
It's pretty big.
It's
it is
pretty.
big.
I mean, you can see it. Wow.
Okay, now we're okay. Well, I thought you weren't supposed to, get any liquids on the outside of the toilet, but there we go.
Oh, okay. They made a mold. Epoxy. So what next? Tell me, girl.
I am a boy, but
No.
I'm assuming they're gonna make a new toilet seat with
With
epoxy. A heated toilet seat.
heated toilet.
to keep your
Wow.
butt warm. That runs
That's-
counterintuitive to me because normally you don't want a warm toilet seat. When you have a warm
I
toilet
want
seat,
it.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
So when someone goes to the bathroom in the shooting
no,
position, and then you sit on it and it's warm, that's horrible.
I mean, if you know this background
Ooh.
that somebody warmed it up before you, of course it's disgusting.
Heated money toilet.
But with a special thing, because I grew up in a cold country.
Yeah.
And, and
Okay.
when in the morning you're trying to,
And then you get stuck to it because your butt's frozen.
That's usually uncomfortable. If you guys know what I'm talking about, support me, please.